today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a PDF document to your Weebly website. This is a quick and easy process that takes just a few minutes, and it's perfect for sharing resources, guides, or downloadable content with your visitors. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Weebly website. Once there, locate the Sign In button in the top right corner and enter your account credentials. You need to be logged in to make changes to your site. After signing in, you land on your dashboard. From here, click on Website, then select Edit Site to open the Weebly editor. This is where you can modify your pages, upload files, and add new content. In the editor, look for the plus icon, which lets you add new elements to your page. Click it and select Edit Section for the area where you want your PDF to appear. Scroll through the section options until you find PDF and click it to start the upload process. Next, browse your computer to locate the PDF document you want to upload. Make sure your PDF is finalized and formatted correctly so it looks professional and is easy for visitors to read. Once selected, Weebly will upload the file and display it on your page. Before publishing, click Preview to see how the PDF appears on your website. This step ensures everything looks right and works as expected. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make your PDF live. Now, anyone visiting your site can access or download the document directly from your page. And that's it. Adding a PDF to your Weebly website is simple, effective, and a great way to provide valuable content to your audience.